Hey guys, No Gas Nico here. Got 2004 F-150, my son's truck. It's running, got some fault codes, got check engine light. Sometimes I get a random misfire, and I'm going to show you what codes we pulling. Okay, got my tester connected, hit read. Communicating with vehicle. Alright, P0171, P0174, P0303, 316. Based on all that, I'm going to replace the mass airflow sensor, see what happens, and we'll clear the code and see how it runs. Right now, it revs up a little rough, almost like I can feel the misfire. So let's change it out, see what happens. All right, so the mass airflow sensor is located in here. So first thing we have to do is remove this retaining ring and pull this apart. Now, I can already see the mass airflow sensor in here. I'll move the camera so you can see it. All right, there's the mass flow sensor right there. So we're gonna need to get that out and replace it. Okay, so in order to take this out, you need to get back here and pull it off of these clips. Now you have to be careful because they don't give you a lot extra wire on a cable here. Due to these wires being so short, I struggle getting this connector unhooked. I had to use the light on my phone to get and see what I was doing. So I eventually got it. Flathead re in there. There it goes. Boom, we're out. So now what I need to do is I need to take this off and then replace it with this new one I picked up from Rock Auto. You can see it's the exact same thing, but I have one of these funny star with the safety thing in the middle. I want to see if I have a tool for this. If not, I might have to buy a tool for it. I think I'm going to go out and buy some lottery tickets. Look at here. Like a glove. Craftsman tool set. Had one of these bits in it. So now I can go ahead and remove these screws. Take a look at that. I mean, it looks pretty dirty in there. I don't know if that's what's causing my issues, but right in there, she's pretty dirty. I don't know if you can see down inside there. Probably not. It looks pretty dirty. I mean, it's old. I've never changed this. So here's the new mass airflow sensor. And I know the flow goes that way. And it looks like there's a notch here. Corresponds with this. So there's only one way this will actually fit. So put our screws back in. Careful not to drop these because I obviously don't have spares. Okay, so that's it. So now let's see if I can get this back in here, plugged into that with no slack in the cable. That's it. That's as far up as it goes. So there it goes. Haha, got it. So we line this all up. That snapped back into place. Don't forget your ring. There's a little diamond here on the bottom and 2 slots. Make sure that goes over this on the bottom. push these together, make sure the clamp is over top of. Ta-da! Done. Moment of truth. We're gonna start her up. See how she runs. Doesn't seem too bad. Okay, I'm gonna rev it up and see how she does. No real hesitation there. Doesn't feel like a misfire. Alright, about all I can do at this point is clear the codes and see if they come back. If they come back, I have to do some more diagnostic and find out what the lean codes are or misfires or whatever else is happening. I'm hoping this takes care of my problems. Anyway, that's how you change a mass flow air sensor on a 2004 to 2007 F-150. This is the 4.6 liter. There might be some little variations, but that's how you do it. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell to get more how-to videos. And thanks for watching.